So when you're looking at choosing PT for proof, you'll find that we have three major categories of offerings. It starts with the least hands-on and the lowest price point, and that is to do research. This has real value. It's provable using the information that anybody can get, but it isn't as valuable as the others because it isn't as hands-on, it isn't as first-person experiential as the others. Moving up a step in hands-on work, sometimes your engineering staff will have done the work already. What we will do is take the pathfinding you've done, the methodology you've done, and we will go recreate that testing in what PT calls validation. Some companies call validating just watching somebody else do it. And the reason we don't do that is because we don't think that that is a strong proof point. And to put our brand on it, we want to have gone through the process. The most expensive and we think unavoidably best offering is when PT actually creates that material. Buyers can look at it and go, you gave PT a product and another product or multiple products to compare, and PT came up with the use cases for the target audiences and the budget, and it went through and it executed all of them, and it went hands-on the same way a buyer would, and this is the result. A key thing here that is easy to overlook is a test is not just its end. It's very simple to think about, just look at the finish. You need the story. You need the complete story from the setup through the process to the end. And so by going through it, we verify that that is true. But we have to put our brand on it. You're paying us for that brand, for that trust. And so we want to make sure that we have seen that whole journey and that we can expose that whole journey to your buyers so that they will trust it more. Those three offerings give you three different price points for getting in, but also three different value points to your ultimate buyers.